Hey everybody, Rich here, Rich's Custom Marine and Auto. We're going to go over just a real quick deal here on deck leveling of riding mowers. Several of them are different for adjustment, but the setup and all that is all the same. First thing you want to do is make sure you air up your tires. The rears are more important than the front, but just air them all up. I've set these to 15 psi, and then what I do is I'll lift the deck all the way up, then you come in here, turn your blade where you can see it, and then measure from that blade to the ground. Then the other side's a little more difficult. You have to lay underneath there and you got to turn the blade where you need it, point it straight out, and then you got to kind of get your eyeball under there with a flashlight, so it's a little more tricky on this side, but still easily doable. I don't recommend going by any part of the deck framework here, because that may not be level. What you want to make sure is level is your actual blades. So, and that'll just keep you from mowing at an angle, right? So on this particular model, this Cub Cadet XT1, so for reference here, rear tire, there's the chute, and we come in here, that's the blade arm right there, and the double nuts there, you break the top nut loose and then you adjust the bottom one where it needs to be. So on this particular mower, the chute side here, the right side, is a little bit low, and I feel like this deck is a little low anyway, so I'm going to raise the low side. If you felt like you were having a hard time getting your mower deck to go low enough, you'd want to, of course, lower the high side. So but that's it, guys. That's all there is to it. Like most of the Craftsmen will have, they don't have that link bar like this does. Right about center of frame on the Craftsman, you'll see a setup that is very similar to that, and you'll know that's where you make your adjustment. So last thing I'll say is make absolutely certain before you fire your mower up that you turn your blades so that one of them is pointed forward and back and the other one is pointed side to side, so that you don't have any chance when you engage your blades that they would touch. So but that's it, guys. That's how you level the deck on a riding mower.